In a sunlit coastal town, the crew follows a welcoming smile into a busy market where a grandmother shares a sea story. They uncover a hidden cafe, where a local artist sketches and teaches a simple beverage that tastes of sunrise. A village drummer invites them to join a spontaneous rhythm, turning strangers into neighbors and friction into laughter. The reflections reveal travel as a bridge, not a checklist, embracing awkward moments as gateways to deeper connection. With tips from locals and new friendships, the episode invites viewers to step out, listen, and explore bravely.